Why not switch to hand mode now and make your way to the first screen pointer. Hey!
There we are.
All right, can you hear me?
I can. Can you hear me all right?
Yeah, great.
We...
Oh yeah, got it.
Oh,
Got it.
worked.
Yeah.
Very cool.
We have to get this futures made of virtual insanity now. Always seem to govern by this love we have for useless twisting of the new technology. Oh, now there is no sound, for we all live underground.
This is my current resume. Feel free to browse before heading over to have a look at my past design work. Prior to becoming an XR developer and a professional musician, I originally qualified as an interior designer. This gallery exhibits some of my past work from that period of my life. After this, please check out the video of my voice work.
We are born like this, into this, with choke faces that can't smile.
1, 2, 3, Kuching Waterfront Jazz Festival!
The fundamental things apply as time goes by.